Now you can say hi to Grandma. Now it's working. Let him chew his fingers, honey.
Goo 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 goo.
Ugh.
Goo goo goo.
He's going to roll over. He's going to say hi, sister.
Hi.
Hi.
I want to see.
Huh?
Goo 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 goo.
He's chewing his fingers, aren't you? You're chewing your fingers. Say hi. Say hi, Grandma. Hey, Grandma. Yeah. Oh, get the toes. Yeah, those are good. Get the toes. What do big sisters do? They say they take good care of little brothers, huh? Yeah?
Go!
That scared him.
More!
Nice.
More.
Oh, that's what you wanted. You wanted his sucky.
Yeah.
No.